compound eyes, the housefly also has 3 ocelli or simple eyes. But in spite of this elaborate equipment for
kids,
seeing,
Mommy has something very important to tell you.
What?
You know how Grandma used to say you are what you eat?
Hi, kids!
When not extended for feeding.
Well, that could have gone
The
better.
end of the proboscis.
Don't torture yourself. Come to bed.
Help me! Please,
Oh, honey. Is it that same nightmare again?
Yes! Yes! I think I'm still adjusting to the broccoli overload. The kids are afraid of me, I'm afraid of me, and worst of all, I talk like a used car salesman on steroids.
Oh, don't worry. You'll get through this, honey. We'll get through this together. I believe everything happens for a reason. I'm sure there's a very good reason you turned into a stalk of broccoli.
You're right! All this time I've been trying to get people to eat broccoli because it's good for you. But that's only half the equation. There are evil forces working against me, getting people to eat fatty, disgusting, unhealthy foods. They must be stopped, and I'm just the man to do it. I'm Broccoli Man!
You suck!
Get a job, you freak.
Eat your broccoli!
thought you might like to try some of our truffles.
Don't tell anyone.